Hey, I'm Kimani, and today's product spotlight is...
All right, everyone, chill, chill, chill.
That's right. Today's product spotlight is Chill Epoxy and their current lineup of epoxy and other products. Now, as I mentioned before in other videos, I have not been paid for anything I'm going to say in this video. I did reach out to Chill and let them know I would be talking about their product, and they were nice enough to send me out some samples with their updated packaging. So, thank you to Chill for continuing to support the community, and let's begin. So, a little background. The product line of Chill has actually only been on the market for a few years, roughly around the same time I got started doing a lot of epoxy projects. But the main company, Polymers Technology, has been around for over 25 years with experience in primarily making epoxy. So they have a good lineage behind them when it comes to doing resin work. Chill is a Canadian-based company, so their packaging and materials come in English and French, and they also ship internationally. So if you're not local to the US, you still have a chance of potentially ordering this product and seeing if it's available in your area. And of course, before we get too deep into it, we got to thank today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is water. Go drink some. So, a few of the highlights that I really like about this product are they are a 100% VOC free product. VOCs are those volatile organic compounds, which are some of the gases and chemicals that are released once you start mixing epoxy. So, for me, it's safe to pour indoors. They come in these Italian-made metal cans, which reduces oxidation. Now, what that basically means is epoxy, when it's exposed to sunlight, is prone to oxidation or yellowing of the resin. That doesn't mean that the resin has gone bad, but you do lose clarity. With these metal containers, it helps prevent that from happening. They're a low viscosity formula, which means that even after the part A and part B is mixed, it still basically pours like water into any of your mixtures. And it's readily available. So when Chill came out, they basically branched out across the US, hitting up a bunch of makers and businesses and woodworkers to promote their product, which then got their products on shelves all across the country. I'm fortunate enough that there's a business literally 5 minutes from my house that sells this, so if I ever need epoxy, I can just drive up the street and get it versus having to order it. So this is one of those key availability features that I mentioned in some of my other videos. In addition to their epoxy lineup, they have a lineup of wood fillers, utensils, cups, dyes, and pigments, and their own formulated chill drops, which are specifically designed to work with epoxy. Now, as I've said before in other videos, I really do like their epoxy, but my favorite product that they make is actually not their epoxy. It is their P-Tech wood filler. So the P-Tech basically, actually, I'll just show you. So P-Tech is a two-part solution made to fill small cracks and crevices. Basically what you do is you mix the A and B together, and once the product turns the correct color, which will be indicated on the package, you then apply it to cracks like these, which I've already done on the other side. And after about 20 minutes or so, you sand it down and you get a finished product. So yeah, P-Tech is one of my favorite products by them because sometimes you don't need to make a whole batch of resin. You just have a small crack that needs to be repaired. So mixing up a small batch of this and applying it works wonders and saves a lot of time. It comes in multiple colors. I have the black, the cognac, and the white. And I think there's like another brown color. I'm not sure. They'll correct me later. So that's my quick product spotlight on Chill Epoxy. Be sure to check out their website, which I'll link below. Like I said, they have a ton of great products. They've been very supportive to the maker community. So if you are getting into epoxy, they are a one-stop shop. They have a lot of local support, so maybe there's somebody in your area that actually sells Chill, or you can order, and if you're international, they ship. So thank you again for watching. Thank you, Chill. If this video was helpful to you, you know what to do at the bottom. And as always, I appreciate your time.